today I'm here to talk about ways to fix every 10 monorail tracks. So, at home, you guys, you don't have to have a monorail on the track. So I'm here to show you a way. It's okay if you don't have a monorail on track. So you see that you just plug any random beam here. Is it good? Hi all YouTubers, here we are here to continue what I was doing, putting on the monorail track. There, it's done. So then after that, to have fun, if you have a monorail on your monorail track from Disney, you use the remote, click it, and then you see it doesn't derail off the monorail. And that is where we test seats and keep doing safely without any derailing problem. So, now you can see that, and you have this. I'm going to show you. Stop the monorail. You see this? That does the announcements. You hear that? And second one. Last one.
And we hope you'll have a happy and memorable visit here at Disneyland.
And if you want to stop it, look, you click if you want to stop the monorail when it's moving. That, and it will stop. If your monorail is out of batteries, you know what to do. Put more batteries. It's not charged. You just have a battery kit on top of this engine. See, you unscrew that screw, put batteries in the monorail. If you have rechargeable batteries, if you know those, you can put them inside of the monorail.
Cool.
Just the batteries what it's supposed to take is. I'm gonna try to get that out. These are the batteries of which it's supposed to take. AA, right?
Yep.
So here that is that battery. You just attach those two in there and screw the screw back in.
Nice.
Bam! Your mom will be able to go high speed. Not too fast, just you know speed.
I know
Probably 10 times. So bye all YouTubers. See you next time.